let's make it try make Q-U-E-E-N. Okay, so first we tied the wire here. Get to the important letter R. Yes. Tomorrow will be R. Yeah. So here we are go fold it here, this, and tie it here, bend the letter Q. Okay, then bend it up. Okay, here, and fold it. So here is the way that's to make the letter Q. Then Q will bend it up. It's here. This way we make the letter U. So Q, U. Okay, tie it here and fold it up. Q, U. This is the U. Then we fold it to make the E. Q, U, E. E. Q, U, E. Q, U, E, E, M. Fold it to the back. Okay. And fold it to the top. Here. And fold it up. Hi everyone. I used the heart and the hang emoji to greet you, but I got big blocked. Thank you. What will that will never happen? It's going to get used to you. Hi. New phone spell checker hates me. As ever here. Hello everyone. Yeah. So here we are make the Q-U-E-E-N. This is the way how to make. Yeah. Today we are learn to make the Q. Yeah, we make the Q and we make a queen. Here. This one. Q and queen. Okay. This way. Thank you. So today we done the Q.